Hey everyone, you join me here in my home city, and this is the airport where people in this area leave from to go to the four corners of the globe. And you're with the Globe Guys.
Hey everyone, we're the Globe Guys and we're at Manchester Airport and it's competition time!
Yes, that's right, it's competition time here at the Globe Guys, and this is your chance to win some Globe Guys goodies, including one of these very exclusive Globe Guys mugs that you might have seen on some of our videos from around the world, or
some business and first class amenity kits.
So here at the Globe Guys, we're very privileged and very lucky to have thousands of followers on Facebook. But did you know that we put all of our videos and content directly onto YouTube?
So in order to win these prizes, what do you need to do?
All you need to do is, if you are already a Facebook follower to the Globe Guys, then go onto YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and why not hit the bell button as well, because that way you get all the notifications when we drop new videos. And then drop us a message on Facebook with your YouTube contact name or your YouTube account name, and then we'll put your name directly into the draw to win either one of these very exclusive Globe Guys mugs or
a business and first class amenity kit, just like that.
But if you are watching us on YouTube and you want to subscribe to us straight away, then you can get involved as well. So hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button as well, remember, and then that way you just need to message us on YouTube with your YouTube account name, and then we'll enter you into the draw as well.
Look at this! So if you want to win, now's your chance. Business or first class amenity kits
or Globe Guys mug.
Enter right now.
So that's been the action here at Manchester Airport on this cold grey Saturday morning. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, this is our third video here at the airport, but we're still very much about showing you our travel experiences around the world. Now, me and Ivan both work full-time. It does take us a little while to get the videos produced and also put onto YouTube. So we're still trying to get through the videos that we took on our visit to South America earlier on this year. And since then, we've also been to Marrakesh in Morocco and also to Munich as well. Our next trip is in a few weeks' time. We're off to Beijing and as well as Manila and Boracay in the Philippines. Very much looking forward to that trip, and you'll be able to see those videos at some point earlier on in the new year. Now, they've just closed the runway here at Manchester, or the runway that we were taking off at originally, which was runway 23 left. They're now taking off on 23 right. So that brings to the end the video. But just before we do, I promised at the start of the video that I'll show you some of the stills that I've taken. So here are the photographs that I've taken here at Manchester Airport this morning. Please do leave your feedback. Don't be too harsh. I don't think the lighting's been particularly great today. But yeah, leave us some feedback about the stills and the photographs, and also video as well. Also, if you've enjoyed watching the video, why not subscribe to us on YouTube? You can subscribe to us and also hit the bell icon as well, so you can get notifications whenever we drop videos onto YouTube. We're also on Facebook as well, and also on Instagram, so why not follow us on there. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.